Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
And it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Big monster in the sky, Santa!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday! I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Perimeter is under observation. Decon unit in position. Red flag it Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the stair floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
We're almost there, kiddo. Hurry up, Sully, hurry up.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Gary, folks, we have the decontamination.
Okay, folks, just walk her bed. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. Spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and immediately secured the area in question.
Hello, humans. Young lady in the second row. Do you have your paperwork? No. Don't let it happen again. Next time, bring me a churro.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.